Hello again. In the last video, we talked about the definition of sine. Now we have two more very important definitions that we're going to work with. So let's go over them. The next one that we will use, and I'll do it in a different color, light blue. Where am I at? Is going to be what we call cosine. So cosine. Again, this is cosine of A. Cosine, now I'm going to skip the very long definition like we did in sine and just go straight to it. The ratio of the cosine of A is going to be the side adjacent to the angle A. Well, what do I mean by adjacent? Adjacent means right next to. So we look at our angle 23, well, what is right next to that angle? We could say C, but we already know C is dedicated to the hypotenuse, so the other answer has to be B. So again, this is our adjacent side. Adjacent. And it's over the hypotenuse. And that is, in our example triangle above, the same thing as B over C. So that is our next definition. We have one more definition, or one more for now, I should say, a very important one. It is tangent. Now the tangent of A goes like this. It is the length of the opposite side over the adjacent side. So opposite, opposite, over adjacent. Or same thing as A over B. And those are the three you could think of main definitions that we're going to be working with in trigonometry. The sine of A, opposite over hypotenuse, the cosine of A, adjacent over hypotenuse, and the tangent of A, opposite over adjacent. In the next video, we'll be covering some example problems involving these three definitions.